All right, guys, what is going on? I know it's been a while, but I'm back and I want to start making some more trading videos. And as you guys can see, today is the 8th of July. I just kind of want to give you guys an update on how my trading is going. I haven't updated in quite a while, so I have sort of switched up my strategy. Pretty much the same thing, except I get on here at 8:30 now. Um, Kind of tricky trading at all-time highs like this, but I'm still going to be in a bullish market for me, but I'm not gonna roll out taking shorts. Um, so since 8:30 is about to come up here in about a minute now, gonna mark out some 15-minute highs. So we have these over here. I think that is actually all-time highs, and the nearest one is that one. Gonna mark these sell side and buy side. Nope. Can I do a template like that? Oh, I can. Okay, amazing. Uh, Good enough and good enough. I'll just sit here and wait for one of them to get swept. Just kind of chill on the 5 minute. I mean, I have a feeling it's going to sweep that one. If it gives us a strong push down after the initial sweep, then I'll take shorts. Um, like I was saying, kind of want to give you guys an update. As you can see, I have NinjaTrader and TradeAway open. I have two accounts right now with Apex. A 250K. I got that when it was on sale for like $30, and the activation fee was $85. So, and I'm up currently $4,134 on that. No trades today so far. Out of 6,600 needed to get a withdrawal. And as for this account right here, let me just pull up Rhythmic. I don't think it'll show anything bad that you guys can see. Can I scroll in this? Yeah, you can see it's this one right here. This was a eval that I had failed, so just ignore the top one. I'm not really sure why it's still on there, but this one is the current active one. 51 493 66, a 50K count. You got to get it to $2,600 in profit to get a withdrawal. So we're about right at $1,100 away. But my trading has drastically improved over these past couple weeks. As you can see, some big winners, $800 days. And hold on, I can actually just tell you guys the past couple weeks I've had my journal. So last week I only traded 2 days because you guys don't remember. Let me just get on Forex Factory here. Can I go back a week? Yeah, I traded Monday and Tuesday, and that was it. I didn't trade Wednesday. Clearly Thursday it was closed. It was a half day Wednesday, and Friday I was watching the charts, but I never took a trade. My trade would have actually worked out, but I just didn't feel comfortable taking a trade right after all that. So, but on Monday and Tuesday, I made right around $1,200 on this account. And let's see, I wish I had the dates on here, but I'm not sure if I took a trade on this 50K account. So I'm not going to lie to you and tell you that I did. I didn't journal it down, but I did for the 250K accounts per account. That was last week. The week before that, the Friday was June 28th. So that was a week before last. We made $1,493 on this PA account, 250K account. 8 trades, 5 winners, 3 losers. Yeah, pretty much just a bad over trading week. Monday we had a loss of $400, and then the second trade I took that day was profit of 1,200. So that really put me up $800 on the day. But um, I really don't want to take more than one trade a day. But I guess if I see a perfect setup, I'm gonna take it again. Um, Tuesday plus 200, Wednesday minus 400. I took two trades, two losers. But I do keep my losses relatively small. $200 to $400 is the normal. If I'm trading one or two contracts, I always go for 10 points as my stop loss. Thursday we had a profit of $370, and Friday we had uh, a winner of $523.80, and I think that was on my uh over here somewhere. I'm not really sure why it's like that. It was one of these days. Honestly, can't remember. Let's just click the chart on this one. There it was right there. 523, and that was on the 28th. Yeah. Oh, there is dates on here. I didn't know that. But I've been trading this account for pretty much a month now. This one I've only had for honestly, I don't know. Let me click the chart. The first trade on it was June 18th, so I've almost had it a month. 10 more days, it'll be a month. This one I've had since June 3rd, so I've had it right over a month, but only 21 trading days on it. But in no rush to get a payout. The other weeks that I've had have pretty much been break even, which I'm not going to complain about at all. But we have news coming out at 10 today, I think. Yeah. Howell is speaking or testifying. I've never watched any of that stuff. I honestly don't know what it's about. But hopefully my trade will be over and done by then. Unless the market's just going to chop until then. I'm going to go ahead and remove this so I can see. Yeah, we either need a sweep of this or this. And I was in a sell market the past week. We did have a profitable week though, thankfully. Even though the market pushed higher, you can see it was just ripping right through all-time highs. I did catch some good sales during these, and Monday and Tuesday I caught some. I can't remember if it was buys or sells, honestly. But yeah, we just sit here and wait now till one of the or the liquidity pools are taken out. This one looks nice because there's equal highs up here, but that one's technically already been taken out, so it doesn't matter. I mean, it's still buy side and sell side's all the way down here. I've been watching the 2022 ICT mentorship, and that's where I've got that from. The 15-minute is a good time frame to spot liquidity on. And base my trades off that. I don't look for like break of structures on the 15-minute. He says to go from the 5 down, but personally, I enjoy the 1-minute chart the best. So once I see like one of these get taken out, I'll instantly go to the 1-minute. And if it's like chopping down and there's no fair value gap after that, then I'll go starting like from the 3-minute and like the 2-minute and look for a fair value gap if there's a break. And I'll take an entry off of one of the like the fair value gap on one of those time frames. But I generally like to look at the 1-minute. I just got fond of it and I haven't went back. So I'll keep you guys updated on this trading day. I want to start, today's Monday, and I want to start a like a series for my trading and a separate series for like my weight loss. Starting my diet back up today. Figured I would start changing some things today to get healthier. Since my buzz cut video, I have not lost any weight. That's my fault. But now I kind of want to change in my life, and My trading has seemed better, clearer. For breakfast, we're having some low sugar oatmeal and a rice cake with some fit butter on it. The chocolate chip cookie dough flavor. Probably not the best breakfast I could have for me, but honestly don't care about carbs. I'm really just going for like 1,000 calorie deficit. Because right now I weigh about 185 to 190. It kind of fluctuates in between. And I need about 3,100 calories per day to maintain that. And if I eat 2,000 or less, I'll be good. We've been going to the gym really consistently lately. No fancy gym. It's just Planet Fitness here where I live. So, yeah, we've been getting up and going at 2 o'clock the morning. So that really gets it over with quick for me. I want to start doing some more cardio, but everybody hates cardio, including me. So I'm either going to start like doing some more jump roping or just going somewhere and running. Because I feel like if I take the time to drive somewhere and run, I'll actually do it. Because if I jump rope here in my house, I'll just, slack it off. Like, oh, I'm done. I can go inside. But not if I specifically drive somewhere to um, run. Now, we do have to watch this. We did just get this 15 minutes. Never mind. I'm on the 2 minute. Oh, it's changing. We on the 15 minute? We're on the 15 minute on both of these? Yeah. So I think we just actually got to all-time highs, didn't we? Is that the all-time high on ES? So we just made new all-time highs. I believe so. We just swept the previous all-time high on ES, which is, SMT divergence. Mark that out. I haven't taken a trade on ES and I don't know how long. I don't really want to. I would way rather take trades on NASDAQ. I just like the volatility. See, if this is what I'm talking about right here, this massive push down right after ES had that big push up, this could be the trade setup I take for the day. On my 50K account, I go for a 1-to-1 one contract, which would be that $200 win. In this one, I go for a 2-to-1, 10-point stop, 20-point take profit, which is 80 ticks, 40 ticks, 2 contracts, which would be $800. It would significantly grow my account with those kind of winners. But if like the trade ever starts to look like it's going to slack, I will kill it. Doesn't look like we're gonna get a gap here. Maybe a little one, but we might get one on ES. But ES did not have a break. It might on that candle. If it gives us this, we'll take this trade right here. Pretty good confluence for me. I have been watching the SMT divergence a lot more lately. It does hold a lot of power in my opinion. So this is only like literally a 1 tick fair value gap. It'll be way above the highs. It'll be perfect. 80 ticks will be way down here. All right, let's just put our sell right there. Nope. Sell
Order
one.
submitted.
We'll see if we get entered on this. Let's actually look at the equilibrium of this move. It's not if it's not all the way 80 ticks. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna mark this out. So I can watch it better. We get entered into this trade. That's the 50% at about 50 ticks. We'll keep an eye on that if we get in. Okay, we're in. This trade could instantly rip straight up and get us out of the trade instantly, but we'll just watch it. I really enjoy looking at the tick count instead of the money because we're here to be profitable and Just seeing the money could make you want to close the trade or something sooner. Oh, here, let me draw this line right down through here where we're going. Oh, this is beautiful, beautiful. I'm joking. Okay, sorry. Ran to the bathroom real quick. I think it's easier to just pause the recording. Can you just pause here? Oh, you can. Okay. Then I have to find my place in the full hour video. But while I was gone, we actually pushed way up there. I actually got pretty close to our stop. About 8 or 9 ticks away. Still 10 minutes until market opens, so kind of looking like it wants to stop us out here. But like I said, we just swept the all-time highs. Could want to push higher. 10 points is not a lot, especially on the NASDAQ of how volatile it can be. I mean, like this candle right here is 5 points by itself. And you can easily get some 10-point candles in 10, 15 seconds. Let's just look at this candle. Whole thing. 32 ticks. That's nearly 10 points. We'll see the volatility when New York opens here in a minute. Literally 1 minute from now. Okay. Okay, big strong push down again right before New York. I'm going to move this gap over here just so we can see the initial entry off of it. Sometimes these trades take a minute, 2 minutes. Sometimes they take an hour. This is the longest I've been in one of these trades in quite a while. But hey, not going to complain with a winner or a loser today. Everybody's due for some losers sometimes. Yeah, that's the take profit on the 50K. And this is it for the 250K. Okay, here comes New York. Let's see if it wants to go higher or push lower. Higher, maybe? Lower? Ooh, I don't know. Maybe it just wants to sweep this liquidity. At least get through this take profit. Come on.
Target filled.
Maybe this one? It hit the 50%. There wasn't any news, by the way. Okay, should we close off the 50? Let's just close off the 50, filled. Just to be safe. Where did we close? 623.25. 623.25. So we caught 43 ticks. Could have clearly had a lot more. How many more did it give us? So we took 43 and it gave us 64. Not going to complain. The only reason I closed that trade is because of the 50% level being tapped and the bounce. Probably will continue lower for the day. Like I said, I'm completely happy with 10 points. Let's just mark out where I just want to watch this. I enjoy watching where my trades could have went if it would have went to my full take profit or not, even after the 50% level. If you guys don't watch Equilibrium, I would strongly suggest that you watch the Equilibrium because it does play a big factor sometimes. Okay. If it flushes that, then no big deal. I'm not gonna sit here and cry because I missed an extra $400. Yeah, it would have been nice on my account. But look, we're up $4,500 on this account and almost. I think it's about to flush it. Oh, look at that. That was crazy. Yeah, it could want to come down here to sell side like ICT teaches. You can take one at 50 or some fair value gap. See, look at this push higher. Look at that push. That's what I was talking about. Now that's a very large candle. Let's see. Okay, that would have tapped us out right there if we would have held on. Pretty smart on my end, I feel like, to get out at the 50. So yeah, that was the trade. We didn't get out exactly at the 50, probably like we should have. Would have been 10 more ticks or so. Okay, $423 on the day and 196 on this one. I'm just gonna say 200 on this one because that's what it is before commissions normally. Account balance 51689. So we need about $1,000 to get a payout. And on this one, well, let me do some quick math on my calculator. $2,042. So if we keep trading the way we've been trading, we'll get there in a week and a half, 2 weeks, which would be relatively nice for me. I don't know why on TradeAway it's been doing that to me. Like, it doesn't tell me that both of them closed. But yeah, like, I don't have any pending orders. I always make sure now that I don't have any like pending or open orders. But yeah, that was the importance of that. You can see it kind of chopped around the 50%. So I hope you guys enjoyed this hour-long video. I might have to chop it up just a little bit, just for time purposes. But hope you guys enjoyed. I will make some more trading videos. Hopefully I just don't give up on it again. But I want to, starting today, just keep trading and make videos on it. Doesn't matter if people watch these or not. I just want to share my experiences and journey with everybody. Like today, we got in a bit of drawdown, 31 ticks of drawdown. You just can't be phased by it because, like I said, I was really waiting for that 930 volatility. And it came, it delivered. It really did. The market did want to push down today. So I was on the correct side at the time. So yeah, that would have been our full 80 ticks if you had a bigger stop. Say you had like 50 ticks. This is just my preference. 10 points is plenty of enough stop for me with my strategy. It probably wants to go down here and take sell side and push higher. If it does, I'm going to sit here and possibly take another trade on this account. So let's close that out. Did it just take sell side? It did just take sell side. Because as you know, it probably wants to go higher today. Sorry, wrong one. I probably won't take another trade because considering news comes out in 24 minutes now, I have no reason to ask for more. I mean, I've made $600 today. Theoretically, I mean, I haven't got a payout yet. I could lose it all. I mean, if you guys didn't know, Trades by Matt lost all of his 20 PA accounts. He has them back now, but it just shows you how easily you can lose something when you, like he said, get on a tilt day. Even though he was up so much on those accounts, it's actually crazy to think about. I'm sure it's like, he probably thinks about it, like how much money he lost out on. I mean, I probably would, but there's nothing you can do about it. He still made like $309,000 on those accounts, which is insane. But yeah, I'm going to call this here. If I end up taking another trade on this account, which I probably won't, I'll add it into this video. But if I don't, I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.